Based in Charlotte, North Carolina, Infosense is the manufacturer of an award-winning product called the Sewer Line Rapid Assessment Tool. The Sewer Line Rapid Assessment Tool, or SL-Rat, is a portable tool that uses sound waves to rapidly assess sewer line segments for blockages. Used by hundreds of utilities worldwide, the SL-Rat increases the operational and maintenance efficiency of a collection system by helping to prioritize more expensive and time-consuming efforts such as CCTV or cleaning. Depending on conditions, it is typical for a two-person crew to collect anywhere from 10 to 20,000 feet of data per day. The SL-Rats come as a set and are placed on consecutive manholes. The transmitter produces sounds, while the receiver listens. The SL-Rat is extremely easy to use, requires no flow contact, and will generate an acoustic inspection score in 3 minutes or less. Let's see the SL-Rat in action. The result is good for this pipe segment with an inspection score of 8. Inspection scores range from 0 to 10, 0 indicating a fully blocked pipe and 10 indicating a pipe with significant surplus capacity to carry additional flow. Common obstructions affecting the acoustic inspection score include grease, debris clumps, roots, protruding taps, misaligned and collapsed pipes, the same obstructions impacting additional flow. At the end of the day, the operator uploads the acoustic measurements stored in the SL-Rat receiver. The data is pushed to a secure cloud-based web portal called the Sewer Line Data Organizer, or SL-Dog. Using the SL-Dog portal, the measurement data can be validated, visualized, and analyzed. Operator field notes can be added to enhance the data, and the results can be readily exported to industry standards such as CSV, ArcGIS Shape, or Google Earth files. In the example, the SL-Dog portal is being used to visualize the day's work by exporting the data to Google Earth. Different colors are used to highlight the acoustic inspection scores. As illustrated, by focusing on pipe segments scoring less than 5, potential problems can be quickly identified. Instead of scheduling resources to clean and CCTV this entire neighborhood, the SL-Rat enables prioritizing resources to areas with the greatest need, saving time, water, and money. Avoiding cleaning clean pipes